Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm ShaRissa. I am back here to do a green juice. I'm gonna do a basic green juice. One of them that helped me throughout my cleanse is for like skin, weight loss, nail growth, anything like that. That's what the fruits and vegetables are basically for. So if you are looking for an easy juice cleanse with cheap, reasonable fruits and vegetables, this is the juice for you. So let's get into this video, and I have all of my fruits and veggies all laid out and washed here. As I said, I wash everything with water and vinegar. I soak them for about 20 to 30 minutes. Here I have some apples, 2 apples cut up, a bunch of celery, a lot of celery here, 2 cucumbers, some ginger, and some lemon. No, I have lemon, 1 kiwi, and cilantro in here. So yeah, and these are my jars that everything will be going in, and this here I will get more into this at the end of the video. My juicer is all set up. I showed you guys how my juicer is set up kind of bit in how to prepare it for my juice cleanse. I have this plastic bag so I don't have to deal with all of that washing. So we're gonna get ready here and to start putting all the fruits and vegetables in the juicer and start juicing. Okay, let's get it. So first we are going to start off with the cucumbers. So I'm gonna start juicing all the cucumbers. Okay, the juicer is plugged in, and I'm gonna store it. We try to get as many in there as possible. Guys, that is the 2 cucumbers. So now I am going to pour this cucumber juice in. I'm gonna even it out, so when I have 2 of these I can even it out and not all have 1 fruit or vegetable. Pour some of that. Okay, this is the cucumber juice. Now I'm gonna do the celery, so let's get cracking. So now all the celery is done. I usually just tilt it over to get all of the excess juice out. So let's bring our jugs back over. There's still some there. So now we are going to even this out. So here's another cucumber that I'm going to put in there. So I can just have more juice. Now we're going to do the apples. The apples. We're going to do the ginger. We can do the ginger and the lemon and the kiwi. all together. Smell of that ginger is so good. So now we're gonna put all of this in here. All of this cilantro. Okay. We are finished. We're gonna just lean this to get any excess juice out. But this is it here. I'm gonna top this one off first. And then I'm gonna finish topping this off. But there you have it, guys. There you have it. This is the green juice. I will put all of the ingredients in the description box below. This here is basically 3 juices in here. You're supposed to drink 600 milliliters of a juice if you're doing a juice cleanse for a day or 5 days. It makes up the meals and all of that good stuff. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Make sure to thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, and don't forget to let me know if you did try this green juice, and let me know how you feel. And it doesn't taste bad. Just make sure you try to drink it in those 2 days. Don't drink it, don't leave it to sit. Okay? Bye! See you in my next video.